Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to factory reset Eero 6 Pro router. So let's get started. To fix the factory reset Eero 6 Pro router, you can follow some of the steps. Factory reset Eero from the router, locate the small reset hole on the back of the router. Press and hold the reset button until the LED light changes color. Release the button and wait for the LED to blink red a few times, indicating the reset process is complete. Note, if you perform a hard reset on the gateway Eero, the one connected to your modem or upstream device, you will remove the entire network and all settings for that network. If you need only hard reset one Eero, we recommend swapping out your gateway for another Eero if possible. For hard reset your Eero, hold the reset button until the LED flashes red 15 seconds, then release it. After a successful hard reset, the LED light will reach a flashing blue state, indicating that the Eero is ready to be a setup again. For soft reset an Eero, hold the reset button until its LED flashes yellow, then release it. After a few moments, the Eero LED should return to solid white and appear with a green outline in the Eero app. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you around. Thank you. Bye bye.